Hello class 8 girls or boys. Today we start about the factorization. Two type of factorization in your first terminal exams. One is from the government book 13.1, 13.2 and one is from KCDAC. First we discuss about from the government book. Hope this is complete in your school or your home, but again we discuss the crucial points for the 13.1 and 13.2. So 13.1 we go for the 13.2 also the middle term. So what is the middle term? Middle term means there is the three in the polynomials there are three types of elements. Say it is the first we take this one the 13.1 to 6. It is the 2 6. See, this is the x to the power 4 minus 7 x square plus 12. So we discussed for the 13.1 and 13.2 in the same period or same slot. Say it is a 1 of the 13.1. This is the 12. 12 means there has no x. So 12 is factorized such a manner that by these two factor, if we addition is taken or subtraction is taken, 7 is comes. Say 6 plus 2 and 6 minus 2. In the no chance to come 7, but 4 plus 3 is come 7. So here we split 7 as 4 plus 3x square plus 12. So 13 exercise 13.1 is discussed by this method where the integer is there, an integer is splitted, factorized such a manner that by these two factor, by addition or subtraction, we can get the middle one. So middle term is split. That is called the middle term expression. Now what do? We do this one x square whole square minus 4x square minus 3x square plus 12. So x square is taken as a common. Here 1x square is left. Here 4 is left. Here 3 is taken common. Now see these two. These two is the same, identical. These within the bracket, these two must be identical. Then we taken x square minus 4 as a common and x square from here and minus 3 from here is left. Now see the board again, any chance for any factorization? Yes, this is a square minus b square. So we can go again x minus 2, x plus 2 and x square minus 3. So ultimately this middle term is valid for 1, 2, 3 lines. Third one is from the class 7. Class 7 what we do? A square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. That's what. Now what is the difference between 13.2 and 13.1? Now we go for the 13.2. Say 13.2 we discuss this one ones 8. Say it is the 13.2. It is the ones 8. Ones 8. Ones 8 is 12 plus x minus 6x square. See, very minutely. In the previous sum, x square has no coefficient. Here, x square has 6 minus 6 coefficient. In the previous one, x square placed in the first one. Here, x square placed in the last one. But this is not our points. Our points is which one factorize? Factorize is that 12 and this 6. First multiply this 12 into 6, it is 72. what is our motto? 2 comes 1. 1 means x has no coefficient. That means x has 1 coefficient. So with 72, we factorize it 9 into 8 because 9 minus 8 gives the 1. So it is comes 12 plus 9 minus 8x minus 6x square. So it is the 12 plus 9x minus 8x minus 6x square. I just tell one thing, please keep up your mind. If all are plus, no problem in the factorization. But if all are not plus, then equal plus equal minus is there. 3 is plus, 1 is minus. Or 3 is minus, 1 is plus, cannot give the correct answer. So obviously before you taking a common, you see the board equal plus and equal minus. Here see these two have plus sign, these two have minus sign. That means it is correct way. So how we common it? 3 is taken as a common. 4 plus 3x minus 2x is a common. 4 plus 3x. Again see, in the bracket, in these two bracket has the identical polynomials. So next we can take in 4 plus 3x as a common. So let this 3 minus 2x. So whatever, it cannot be comes to the again. Again there is no square. So again no applications or no formula is used. So this is the answer. Now, what's the difference between first one and second one? First one is we start with the x square without coefficient. Second one, we start with the integer. Whatever it may be, we go for the all number or all digits without x and with x square. Multiply these two and factorize it such a manner, then both from these two factors we can comes our motto, that is the middle term, maybe by the plus or maybe by the minus. First one from the 13.1, 7 is comes from the plus 4 plus. The next one is comes the minus 9 minus 8 1. Now we go for this one, another one, that is the ones 9. Ones 9 and ones 10, both we start the same time. Say, we demark a line, it is the ones 9, it is the ones 10. See, these two are the same time. You can know how we got this one. It is the 6 plus 5a, 6 plus 5a minus 6x square. It is 6x square minus 30x plus 6. Both the sum in the same chapter, side by side. Now please see this one. 6 into 6. What is the value? 36. Here also 6 into 6 is the 36. But here our motto to comes 5. Here our motto to comes 13. So I write the 6 into 6. 6 into 6, it is the 36. 36 is 9 into 4. See, 9 minus 4 gives the 5. 9 plus 4 gives the 13. So both the maths start the same time, only for the difference of this one. 6 plus 9 minus 4a minus 6a square, or 6 plus 9a minus 4a minus 6a square. Here also 6x square minus 9 plus 4x plus 6. Here also 6x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 6. See, in the previous time I said this, before taking the common, you see the board. 2 is plus, 2 is minus. Here also this 2 is plus, this 2 is minus. That means our way is correct. the answer comes in the correct. So here 6 and 9a, we taken 3 as a common. So 2 is left here, 3 minus 2a is taken as a common. So 2 is left here plus 3a. See, within the bracket the same things. It is the identical. So 2 plus 3a as a common. 3 minus 2a is the other part of the factorization. Here, both from these two. 3x is a taken common, 2x minus 3, minus 2 is a common, 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 is a common, 3x minus 2 is the left of the another one. Now please see this one. These two sum we do side by side because it is clear, all of you, the main thing is to come the middle value. Maybe it is 5, maybe it is 30. It is not our jurisdiction. Our jurisdiction, how 6 into 6 comes in this pattern. So it is the mainly the middle term. I will go for another one tough middle term from the 15 number. 15 number, 15 number. It is a 13.2. 13.1 is easier than 13.2. So we are concentrate about the 13.2. It is a 15 number. 15 number is 3 into a plus b whole square. 3 into a plus b whole square. Be very cautious. 3 has no square. Only a plus b is a square. 3 has no square. Minus 2a minus 2b plus. No, sorry, minus a, not plus. Minus. So 3 has no square, 3 into a plus b whole square minus 2 of a minus b. So now we rearrange this line, a plus b whole square minus 2 into a plus b minus 8. Let a plus b is equal to x. If you not put let, no problem, but it becomes a very easy to say. It is like the 6 or 5 types of sum. 3 and 8. What is the value? 3 into 8 is 24. From 24, we try to come 2. 24 means 6 into 4. 6 minus 4 gives that 2. So we can write it 3x square. This minus in the front. In the bracket 6 minus 4x minus 8. In the bracket. After bracket operation, these two must come. So this sign is the minus in the outside. So now it is the 3x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 8. So 3x as a taken common, x minus 2 plus 4x minus 2. So x minus 2 is a common, 3x plus 4. So, but it is not the answer because x is not given there, given is a plus b. So, we must put in the value of a plus b here. So, now it is comes to the a plus b minus 2, 3a plus 3b plus 4. See, this is the answer. So, if anywhere we put any value, then we must change our original things. X, I can take the letter X. You may take as a P or M. So this is not the answer. Answer must become whatever is given by your A and B. So this answer is like this one. If you not put A plus B the X throughout the sum, you can do with the A plus B, no problem at all. Now we can go to the second sum. 4 sum is given here. First one the same and the third and fourth is the same. I try one from the 2 I can do 2 and 2 3. So from the 2 2 you can write in the 2 1s, and from the 2 3 you can draw the 2 4 also. So 2 this one is x square plus 5x plus 6 plus 5x plus 6. If it is the middle term, please see this one from 6 to 5, 3 plus 2. We easily can do by the 13.1. But the direction is given there. Resolve the following algebraic expression into factors by expressing them as the difference of two square. So first we express it by difference of two square. It is this one, x square plus 2 into x into 5 by 2. By this method, if 2 is crossed, then 5x is left. For this 5 by 2, 25 by 4 is introduced here. Say, no 25 by 4 is there. No 25 by 4 is there. So, we can write plus 6 minus 25 by 4. All of you know from the class 7 also you know this is an adjustment. Adjustment to pattern for a formula. So, it is the x plus 5 by 2 whole square plus 24 minus 25 by 4. So, x plus 5 by 2 whole square plus minus 1 by 2 whole square. It is the difference of two square. So this is the difference of two square. Now which formula is that here? A plus b into a minus b. So it is the x plus 5 by 2 plus half and x plus 5 by 2 minus half. Now this is x plus 6 by 2, 3, and this is x plus 4 by 2, 2. So we clean the board. So ultimately answer is comes x plus 3, x plus 2. The question is, if we do by the middle term only 3 lines we can get the answer. Why we go for the so many lines? The instruction is given there. So we must follow the instruction. If no instruction is given there, then we can do it by the original middle term. Now we discuss about the case scenario exercise 14. Only this chapter from the algebra is your first term. Mainly all the sum is depends on the formula for the cube. The cube for the a minus b whole cube also plus b whole cube. So we start here from the last to first, because first sum, first 1 to 20 sum is much more easier. You can apply only the formula, you can do it. Now at the last sum is this one. How we start? 2p whole cube. We know 2's cube is the 8. Now the second one is 3 into a square into what is related to the 12p square. Say 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. P square is comes. So only 1 is left for the adjustment. Now it is the plus 3 into 2p into 1 square. So for the formula 1 cube is needed. But see the board, 3 is given there. So 1 cube is required, that means 2 is left. That 2 is adjusted by this one. So keep up your mind, all the terms which is given is not covered the total formula. If 1 and 2 is added there, it must be minus, or 1 and 2 is not taken as a formula, then that also be adjusted after the bracket. It is the a cube, b cube, sorry, it is the minus, so it is the plus 4 plus 4 because the formula is a cube minus 3b square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus, then the formula is 2p minus 1 cube plus 4. So these 4 gives the formula a minus b whole cube, that is not. So now p is 1 given. So we write the putting the value of p. Putting the value of p. We can get this one 2 into 1 minus 1 whole cube plus 4. So it is the 2 minus 1 whole cube plus 4, that is the 1 cube plus 4, that is the 5. So when you write the formula, then you write this one by formula. We apply this line the formula. So we write here by formula. Now go for this one. This one also 3 terms, not the 4 terms. See, the cube has the 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. But that one is the 3 terms. So what we do? We split it. Split this one, this formula like this one. A whole cube minus b whole cube minus 3 into ab. What is left? For 18 AB, we take in 3 AB. So 6 is left here. So we put 6 in the graph. Now see, the given is 6 is a minus b. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. We 6 is replaced by a minus b. So here we put in the value of p as 1. There we put in the 6 as a minus b. So whole is taken as a formula of a minus b whole cube by formula. Now a minus b is given as 6. So we can write it putting the value. Putting the value. Putting the value is 6 cube, that is 260 is the answer. If any value is given there, then we can put it by our integer value. Otherwise, if a minus b not 6 is given, we can take it, this is the formula. And these Casey's mass all are in the applying either a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. Now we go for the next term. This is the 27th. 50 whole cube minus 3 into 50 square into 30 plus 3 into 50 into 30 square minus 30 cube. See, if we see this one, if we check it, this is a A and this last one is the B. So A cube 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. So how we do this one? We do by directly 50 minus 30 whole cube by formula. Which formula we did? Just apply here a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube. We directly apply this formula. So 50 minus 30 is 20 cube, 2's cube is 8, 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. That is the cube of 10. It is for the square and it is for the cube. So this is the answer. Here you can do let 50 is equal to A, 30 is equal to B. You can do it by this one, but that is very big, a lengthy sum. That's why we go for we apply formula directly, and if we write this formula this sides, then no confusion. Teacher must be pleased to you because you apply the formula genuinely, correctly. So that's the use for a formula with the digit also. Now, if say this is the cube, A cube, 3A square B, 3AB square B cube are bluntly given. No confusion. If there is any confusion, what we do? Let us try the next one. It is a 29. 29 is 57. It is 0.57, most probably 0.57. 0.57, 0.57 into 0.57 minus 0.27 into 0.27 into 0.27 minus 9 into 0.57, 0.27, it is the 0.9. So in here it is not so much correctly picture is there. If it is not point in your book, you can do without point, no problem. So now please see this one. It is not so clearly given, the formula. So we can write it 0.57 cube minus 0.27 cube. Imagine what the formula is. A cube minus B cube. So next one is 3AB into minus B. So minus 3 into A into B. And here is left is 0.3 because 0.9 is given. So 3 into 0.3 gives the 0.9. So that's why we adjust it A cube minus B cube minus 3 into A into B. This is 0.57 minus 0.27. Again I tell, there is no book in my hand. If it is no point, you can do without point the same manner. Formula is A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B is equal to A minus B whole cube. So it is 0.57 minus 0.27 whole cube. So that is 0.3 whole cube. 3 cube is 27. 0.3 cube means 1 point for single, 1 point for square and other point for cube. We will do this one. If it is not matched with 29, you write the extra and do this one. This is one way to adjust the last one as formula. So all the algebraic from the Cassinas, we adjust the given terms with our known formula. So we can process the sum either A plus B whole cube or A minus B whole cube, and we can proceed the sum these one. Okay, the next one we go. It is the 30 number. 27y cube minus 108 y square plus 144y minus 217 y is given 3. It is the given. Y is equal to 3. Obviously simplify it or find the value of it. So now please see this one. Say first one, 27 is a cube of 3. So So we can write it (3y whole cube). Then minus 3 into 3y whole square. Calculate it. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. How much number is needed for 108? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 into 4 is 108. So 4 is needed here. Y square is y square. Now next is 3 into 3y into 4 square. See the value. See the value. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. 16 into 9 is 144. Okay. Y is y. So here we use 3y as a whole a and 4 as a whole b. So it is the 4 cube. 4 cube means 64. So 64 is adjust here. It is minus. So this is also minus. 64 is adjust here. So 217. From here 64 is minus. So left is 3, 5, 153. So it is the minus 153. By this 64 and 153 we get 270. Please students be very cautious about this one. If it is not given, then we adjust it as a formula. But formula must be applied on the 14. All the sum must be carried out by the formula. So here it is 3y minus 4 whole cube minus 153. Now what is given y as a 3? So we are putting the value. Putting the value we get 3 into 3 minus 4 cube minus 153. So 3 into 3 is 9 minus 4 cube minus 153. So it is the 5 cube minus 153. 5 cube is 125 minus 153. 153 is more than 125. So value is minus. So we apply in this side. It is the answer is minus 5 8s are 13, carry 1, 2 1s are 3, 28, minus 28. Value is minus, it is not a problem. Problem is where you apply the formula. That must be very sincere about this one. This formula must be met with our genuine formula a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here you write by formula. Which line you write? Use the formula. Only that line, right hand side, you apply formula. Okay? Now we go for the next one. One or two more sum is sufficient for the casiness. So I just use for the one or two more sum. It is the 22. 7a minus 9 whole cube minus 5a minus 9 whole cube minus 6a into 7a minus 9 into 5a minus 9. Say it is also gives the fourth term 3 terms. A cube minus b cube is something this into this. But our formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b. What is left here? 2a. 2a into 3 gives us 6a. So 2a is there. So first we adjust the given statement or given polynomials to our pattern. Pattern means A cube, B cube, 3AB, but still now there is no A minus B. So we adjust the whole lot as A minus B. So it is the 7A minus 9 whole cube minus 5A minus 9 whole cube minus 3 into 7A minus 9, 5A minus 9, and third bracket 7A minus 9 minus 5A minus 9. Open the first bracket. Open the first bracket, you see 7A minus 9 minus 5A plus 9, and 9 is cancelled. So 7A minus 5A gives you the 2A. So all the given data we adjust as our formula pattern. So it is now 7A minus 9 minus 5A minus 9 whole cube by formula. Here, if you use it, if you want to use 7A minus 9 is x, 5A minus 9 is y, you can do by this process also. It is also okay. But we can omit the unnecessary steps. It is the 7A minus 9 minus 5A plus 9 whole cube, 9 is cancelled. So ultimately it is 2A whole cube, that is 8A cube is our answer. 8A cube is our answer. So now please see this one. It is the sum. How many sums we do from the case enough? More than 5 or 6 sums is now. Every sum is the same pattern. Either we adjust the A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube, or A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube.